It's finally happened. Nuclear diamond batteries have hit the market. When most people are asked what their biggest fear is, a good percentage of the time it has to do with watching their phone die or their phone dying. Well, scientists haven't been sitting and watching us struggle with this enormous problem for nothing. We are happy to tell you that the end is closer than you think. It's already here. Researchers have been hard at work developing a new battery. Their most recent innovation is a diamond battery that has the potential to survive thousands of years while simultaneously assisting in the elimination of nuclear waste. Yes, we mean you can be on your phone forever without fear of it dying. But how? If you stay tuned to the end of this video, you'll find out why you would soon never be afraid of your phone dying again, and all the perks that come with this innovation. Batteries. You probably don't give a lot of thought to them until your phone or your laptop is going out of power at the least convenient moment. Traditional chemical or galvanic batteries, such as the lithium-ion cells in a smartphone or the alkaline batteries in a remote control, excel in delivering a large quantity of power in a short period of time. A lithium-ion battery can only last a few hours before it needs to be recharged, and it will have lost a significant portion of its charge capacity within a few years. Experts have come up with varying solutions, top of which is nuclear power. Nuclear power is seen as a clean energy source since it emits no carbon dioxide. However, it generates huge volumes of toxic radioactive waste, which continues to pile up as new reactors are built throughout the world. What if we told you there was a way to repurpose nuclear materials in a way that protects the environment and the health of people? And at the same time, you would be able to generate enough energy to power a device for the rest of its lifespan regardless of its type. Seems Apple was ahead for not including chargers in their latest products because very soon, chargers will be a relic of the past. Cracking the code in developing this groundbreaking, the life-changing solution involved a unique mix of expertise from leaders in the nanotechnology, nuclear science, and diamond fields with military, academic, and research backgrounds. The Nano Diamond Battery is the answer to the question, what if a fully charged battery could endure thousands of years? Well, just what is the Nano Diamond Battery? At the Cabot Institute's annual lecture in 2016, researchers showcased a unique system that might use nuclear waste to generate energy for the first time. This unique product was dubbed diamond batteries. The Nano Diamond Battery is a revolutionary energy generator and storage system that will redefine and revolutionize the battery industry. It is a high-power diamond-based alpha, beta, and neutron voltaic battery that can deliver long-lasting and environmentally friendly energy for a variety of applications while overcoming the limits of traditional chemical batteries. The NDB's power source is intermediate and high-level radioisotopes protected by numerous layers of synthetic diamond for safety. The energy is absorbed in the diamond by a mechanism known as inelastic scattering, which produces electricity. In clear and simple terms, a man-made diamond, when exposed to a radioactive field or placed near a radioactive source, can generate a small amount of electrical power and create current. Envision the NDB as a miniature nuclear reactor. This is vastly different from commonly available electricity generation devices, where energy is used to move a magnet through a wire coil to produce a current. NDB's batteries will just need access to natural air to power gadgets because their energy will be generated from recycled garbage. More significantly, they will not emit any harmful emissions, unsafe levels of radiation, or destructive byproducts, and they will be unaffected by weather and climate conditions. The radiation levels emitted by the cells, according to NDB, will be lower than those emitted by the human body. This not only eliminates the nuisance of recharging our electronics, but also addresses the environmental concerns of battery manufacturing and disposal. Lack of hazardous byproducts and the recycling of nuclear waste are added benefits. Other energy sources such as gasoline and lithium-ion batteries could be replaced with this technology, decreasing the negative environmental effects of emissions and toxic metal waste products. Because the NDB does not contain cobalt, it is unaffected by the raw material supply shortfall. Several industries will benefit from this revolution, and perhaps one of the most significant is the transportation industry, due to the fast surge in demand for electric vehicles. As governments all around the world are attempting to transition from fossil fuel-powered vehicles to electric vehicles, it appears the sky is limitless for NDBs. NDB batteries will last anywhere from a few decades to 28,000 years. The batteries are reputed to be almost indestructible and will be less expensive in electric vehicles than existing lithium-ion batteries. These batteries could also immensely contribute to medical devices, especially implantable devices, for example, pacemakers and hearing aids. The long battery life of Nano Diamond batteries would be extremely beneficial for patients using such medical implants. Scientists will have not only our phones lasting forever, but our hearts beating forever. In a twist of event, the future might be one in which people keep their batteries and replace their devices. The use of NDB to power typical electronic devices, such as laptops and smartphones, eliminates the need to constantly charge such gadgets. The aerospace industry also stands to benefit from this recent technological advent. This is because advancements in space technology include electric aircraft development that has created the demand for batteries with longevity and safety. Space vehicles and satellites are currently supported by solar power, which is subjected to an unsettling space environment. NDB will be able to power electric aircraft, drones, and space stations for a more extended period. NDB will also be utilized in surveillance systems and electronics for defense. Now that we've answered all your questions, the only topic left to address is when. The Nano Diamond Battery claims that the radioactive battery is totally safe for people, and thus it plans to begin selling it to commercial partners, including space agencies, for long-term missions within the next 2 years. The business completed 2 proof-of-concept tests in August 2020, during which its battery managed a 40% charge. NDB is now working on a prototype for a commercial version of the battery and has already signed its first beta clients. NDB claims that a workable product will be available in 2023. Only time will tell how NDB's technology develops and whether it ever reaches the market.